Okay, welcome on board. Good evening, everybody. So, I want to tell you every tools. I want to teach you on every tools used in Pixellab. Okay, first of all, let's go to the bottom, the top button. We have something like a cross there. If you click on it, you discover text. It's to add text, current date, sticker, shapes. Sticker, shapes. Now from gallery is to bring out pictures from gallery to the Pixellab, and we have draw. Okay. Now the next one is save. In case you have done your work finish, you can save it as image there. Another one is share. Maybe you have saved the document, the your work and want to share it, you click on that. Another side is a kind of quotation mark. This thing is for quotes. It's for quotes. If you click on it, you will see many quotes you want. Many quotes you want. Understand? Okay, another one is something like a dot three dots. Okay. If you click on it, you say use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image size, and others the rest. So now let's go into the tools now. This is types of background. This is the Pixellab backgrounds here. These are the Pixellab backgrounds. Now we have something like A at the down bottom. So if you click on it, it will show you edit text, delete, style, the type, how you want to save your this thing. So another one is edit. So we have edit. Like if you want to test anything, let me test ambassador OGM. Okay, if you want to test anything, now delete is in case you want to delete the work. You click on what? Delete. Now when you have deleted the work and you want it back again, this arrow here at the top, arrow here returning back, you click on it, is undo. Remember, Pixellab doesn't have redo, it only have undo. It only has what? Undo. Now sorry, I didn't tell you on this ones, like this one with pen on top here is where you see edit, copy, to increase text, to rotate text, to align text, the color, to bring it at the front, or to bring it at the front, or to bring it at the back. So now another one is zoom. This one is zoom. I've already told you this arrow that is facing back. Now this one is zoom. In case you want to zoom your work. Okay. This one now is grid. Grid. So this is what? Grid. Most of time is not necessarily needed in design, but some people design finish and love to put something like this in their design. Okay, another one is layer, some like a true layer here. If you click on it, you will discover these are what, like we have. Okay, these are is a kind of layers, how your designs are being placed accordingly. Do you understand? So now let's get back to the tools now. We have talked about look at the copy. If you copy, you paste it. It's as well. So this one is a front. This text will come in front. Then the back is the text will go back. If you click on it, the text, the image or the text will go back. Now this is position. This is what? Position. Where do you want it to move at? You position it. Do you want it down, or do you want it up or down, or right or left? This is why you do what? Position it. Now we have a relative position. So assuming I want to put it, you can here look at this center one now is to position it straight. Why this one is to position it at the horizontal aspect. This one is at the vertical what aspect. Why this one is assuming it's the left side, right side, or blah blah blah. Up is assuming you want to place it at the up. This is assuming you want to place it at the right. This is assuming you want to place it at the down. Okay. Now we have size. In case you want to increase the size, look at it. What decrease is 5. Sorry. Now we have the padding. What does the padding do? Look at what it does. Have you seen padding? Have you seen what it does? Now the right padding is this. Have you seen what it does? It makes this to have space. Now we have color. In case you want to change the color, they change it to red or black or any font or any color at all you want. Like this color, we have the gradient. Gradient is having two colors. Like have you seen that it has two colors now? Okay. Now we have the texture. In case you want to put an image in this text, in case you want to put an image in this text, you look for any image you want to put as text. Let me use this. Okay. Have you seen the image has gone inside it was text? We have the opacity. Opacity is making it visible. Have you seen? If I decrease it, it will not be that kind visible. But if I increase it, it's becoming visible. Okay, now we have the rotating one. If you want to rotate your text, text or image or anything. Now this one is to make your image to this like this. It's called the max. Understand? Now we have the font is to change font. Like earlier I told you, if you check my next video I will send here, you also see how to download font. Like look at the fonts I've downloaded in my fonts. Look at the font I've downloaded so far using Pixellab, using the font.com. Okay, this is a style. Which style do you want it? Do you want it bold? Do you want it Italy? Do you want it underlined? Okay, sorry, let me bring this thing closer. Okay, now yeah, okay, curve. In case you want to curve this thing, have you seen it? In case you want to curve it like this or any shape or anyhow, so that's what curve is all about. Now we have the background. In case you want this text to have background, you click on it, it will have background red or any color of your choice. Now we have alignment. Assuming sorry, assuming okay, background. Now this is centralized, justify, centralized. This is left, this is right, and this is what centralized. So now we have the spacing too. If you want to space in, the letters, we have the words. In case there are other words here, you want to space in. Understand? Okay. Now we have line spacing. In case that words there, you want to join them to compress together, or you want to separate them to have space. So we have the stroke. Look at what the stroke does. It puts another text inside. In case you want it obvious, you can do it like this. Anyhow, now we have the shadow. Look at what the shadow did the same thing with it, but this one is very different. Have you seen the difference? This one will have shadow, while other one is stroke. Now we have the emboss. Look at what it does. Have you seen what it does? So now we have the perspective. Perspective is used. Look at what it's used for. I'll just sorry. Ah, what's wrong with this? Okay, now we have the 3D rotation. Have you seen what it does? Now and others. So another one is this a kind of polygon aspect. Now we have the imports. If you want to bring in an image, you can bring in it here. This is what we call import, to import images. Okay, now we have draw. In case you want to draw anything of your choice, you draw. If you're a good artist, you draw. If you aren't, you leave it. Okay, we have the shapes. This is where you see many shapes you want. In case you don't want this, now you can click here and search for any shapes you want and click on them and use them. So now we have the Pixellab. The Pixellab is look at what it does. As you see, it has created something like this for me. So sorry. Now we have the arrow. In case you need an arrow, you can put it there. And again, now another aspect is something like a two books up and front and back. Sorry. So we have the color. Let me use for instance. You want to change the background of it, or you want it gradient is this color, any color of your choice you want it. We have the image size in case you want to remove. This is transparent. It's not necessarily the image will not have background. Your design will not have background. It will be transparent. So we have the image size in case you want to change the size. This is crop if you are cropping. This is image if you want to put another image. Okay, all these things are images. Now we have this something like a pen, a light pen. Now this is rotate. If I want to rotate, this is vignette. Now look at what the vignette has done to the background. Do you understand? Now this is noise. You have the script noise. Look at what the noise does. Have you seen it? Now we have the clips. Look at what the clips does. We have the brightness in case you want to brighten it. Anyhow, we have the concrete. We have the horn. We have the saturation. So please, this is for now. This is for now. I will send my next video on how to create a simple text with Pixellab. God bless you. Thank you for following up.